It's me, Mrs. Nancy. How are you today? I think that you are okay. Yesterday we studied the lesson titled Let's Eat. Okay? So we saw chips, milk, many bread. Okay? And now we have a new lesson today entitled Animal Friends. Yes, repeat. Animal friends. Repeat again. Animal friends. Okay? So what can you call like animal friends? Animal friends, they are animals that live near the man. Okay? So the first one we have this one. We call it a cow. A cow. Yes, repeat. A cow. So the question can be, what is this? You can leave the answer to say, it's a cow. It's a cow. Yes, repeat. It's a cow. We have another animal. I ask the same question. What animal is this? So we are going to say, it's a goat. Yes, what animal is this? It's a goat. Repeat, it's a goat. After this animal, we have another. We call a chicken. Do you like a chicken? Yeah, it's delicious. Very good. So, what animal is this? It's a chicken. Yes, repeat. It's a chicken. Repeat again. It's a chicken. Very good. What animal is this? It's a horse. What animal is this? It's a horse. Yes, repeat. A horse. Everybody, a horse. Very good. What animal is this? It's a dog. What animal is this? It's a dog. Yes, repeat. It's a dog. Good job. What animal is this? It's a cat. Everybody, cat. Repeat again. A cat. What animal is this? It's a cat. Yeah. The last one is this. What animal is this? It's a sheep. Yeah, everybody, a sheep. Repeat again, a sheep. Wonderful. Okay, so when I touch that animal, you just say, what is it? Okay? Yeah, good. Let's go. I ask the question, you give the answer. Okay? Are you with me? Yeah, let's go. What animal is this? It's a cow. It's a cow. A cow. What animal is this? It's a cow. Yes, repeat, a cow. Is this a dog? No. So what animal is this? It's a cow. Very good. What animal is this? It's a goat. Yeah, a goat. Yeah. Is this a cow? No. So, what animal is this? It's a goat. Very good. Is this a goat? No. So, what kind of animal is this? It's a chicken. Repeat, a chicken. Very good. This is a chicken. This is a horse. Yes or no? Yeah, this is a horse. What animal is this? It's a horse. Is this a horse? Yes, it is. Is this a horse? Yes, it is. Good. It is a dog. Yeah. Is this a dog? Yes, it is. Oh, very good. This is a dog. And this one is a cat. What animal is this? It's a cat. It's a cat. Very good. Is this a cat? No. So, what animal is this? It's a sheep. What animal is this? It's a sheep. Good. Okay. So, I will not say anything, but you are going to give the answer when I ask the question. Okay? Yes. What animal is this? Very good. What animal is this? Very good. What animal is this? Congratulations. What animal is this? Very good. What animal is this? Very good. What animal is this? Oh, is this a horse? No. So, can you help your help? Yes. What animal is this? Oh, very good. What animal is this? Congratulations. Okay, so you have learned all animals. We have many, but we just took some of them. Okay, so what are you going to do now is to show me among those animals what kind of animal do you like or do you love? Do you like horse? Do you like dog? Do you like cats? Do you like cow? Do you like sheep? Do you like goat or do you like chicken? I know that you like chicken very much because every day you eat chicken at home. So this is a good thing. Okay? Yeah. Now, we are at the end of our lesson, but I gave you a homework. What kind of homework are you going to do is just to repeat the name of those animals, friends, okay? So, let's meet next time. This lesson is for the 5th and the 6th level. Bye bye. See you next time.